YouTube. Today's January 6th. I'm going to microneedle again. This time I purchased a different microneedling pen, the Pelka, I believe that's how you pronounce it. The Pelka microneedling pen. It comes nice and sealed. I purchased this from Amazon. I ordered it on the 3rd. I received it on the 5th. I paid $43.94 for it. That's not including tax, by the way. And as always, I ordered my little numbing cream. Comes nice and sealed also. Oh, the glare. Okay. Yeah, so I ordered this. I ordered the smallest one. It was $17.69. That's not including tax. So these two products in total cost $67.25 off Amazon. I will put the links down below. So this time around, I'm going to microneedle. Let me just show you guys the rest of the products. And guess what? So I've been hearing a lot of positive things about this line. I've used the serum in the past, but never this. So I purchased, they sell like 2 packages. So the 2 come together, the vitamin C and the retinol. So I purchased these 2 together, and it came nice and sealed. And the so each individual one comes nice and sealed also. I was happy about this because some of the reviews I saw on Amazon, a lot of people were complaining how theirs came a little busted. But yeah, have the vitamin C. All right, all right. So this time around, I'm going to microneedle. I will use my TRETINOIN again while I'm microneedling. I'm going to use a lot more than the first time because after the first video, I did use my the TRETINOIN. I used a lot, so I will put on a lot for like a week and leave it, let my skin just peel, instead of putting it on every day or every night and constantly flaking. I didn't want to constantly keep flaking, like, so I would just put a lot and then leave it like that, and then just watch my skin like flake off like within that time period and then stop. So that's what I'm gonna do with this. And then I'm going to use this at night. In the morning I will use this. I'm going to use it as a moisturizer also for the rest of my skin body. So this is gonna be used at night and this is going to be used in the morning. I will only use the TRETINOIN one time during this process while I'm microneedling. Usually I use the hyaluronic acid to microneedle, but I don't have any. I'm not home right now and I don't have any, but I have my Beauty Bio vitamin C my Beauty Bio vitamin C serum is acid free, so I'm assuming it's safe. I pray it's safe because can I be messing up today, guys? So with that being said, I do have videos on how I apply my numbing cream, how I microneedle, so I'm not gonna be showing any of that in this video. If anything, after when I apply the numbing cream, you'll probably see it or something like that, but we're gonna go straight into the microneedling section, I guess. I will show portions of this microneedling because this pen is different. Actually, let me look. What kind of unboxing is this? Forgot to unbox the pen. So let's see. This pen is supposed to come with 24 cartridge needles. Yay! It smells brand new, by the way. It really does have like a brand new smell. I pray it works. That's why I didn't put it. I was gonna put on my numbing cream before I came on. That way we can move fast. But what if it doesn't work? We don't know. It's cute. It's actually really cute. This one you charge it via USB cord, which is kind of cool compared to the Dr. Pen. The Dr. Pen, I had to put it on the wall. It was a wall charging type pen. And then you just pick this up. Whoa. And then you pick this box up. Is it a lot? And look, oh, look. Let's see if it works. It better work. Oh, I like that. It's Velcro. That's cool. Oh, and I needed this for myself, for my phone, because I'm an Android type of girl. Let's see if it works. It's charging. Let's see, give it some time. So I have a lot of, this is so cool. I didn't have to buy any of this again because I didn't bring the ones I previously ordered. And this one comes with the cartridges that are actually really, that are supposed to be really good for deeper microneedling. Ooh la la. Okay, so I have the 36 needle. 36. 36. Let me separate them. 36. 36. 36. No. 36. 12, now we're talking. 12, 12, 12, 12. Ooh la la. But the 12 usually hurts, guys. So I hope I can handle the pain today. This is really good. If you're starting, if you can't tolerate pain, it will not be for you, honestly. I didn't check my thing to actually remember how many they said. It's supposed to be 24 though. So I have the 12s. Let's see how many. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 of the 12 cartridge needles. I hope you can see it. Yes. And I have 4 of the nano ones. The nano ones are good for absorption. And the 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 24, guys, which is perfect. Look. 10. Did I say 10? So 10 of the 36, 10 of the 12, and 4 of the nano ones. They did say 24, which is really good because the Dr. Pen, I believe, only came with like 6, 2 of each of the ones they provided. Which is really good. So today I'm gonna use the 12. Pray for me, guys, because I actually have work in 2 days. So I'm gonna do this is really, really, really good deal. Because for 43, the Dr. Pen, I paid $75 some change for it. And to be honest, I don't even know if it broke from falling that day or if it was, I don't know if it was still working, to be honest. But yeah, so I just think this is a really good deal. I do have the 40 needle cartridge already, I believe, when I end up buying a separate order. So if I ever was to need those, I have them, so I don't really care. But I feel like these are really good because you get a deeper pill. Oh my god, how they put it so nicely. But look at me, I try to put it back like okay. So in the meantime, the pen is charging. I'm gonna numb my face and I'm ready to needle. I'll be back. Please subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. And don't ask questions if I already answered it in the video. Please. I'm gonna leave you on read. It sounds mean, but it's exhausting going back. I literally show you guys the same thing I'm going, like my process. So when you ask questions that are in a video, you're asking me to go rewatch my own damn video to come back and answer your questions when you can just do that yourself. But yeah, thank you for watching.